G'day everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Today I just wanted to show you a quick video using my Ego multi-tool pole hedge trimmer with one extension bar on this one. So the main thing I want to show you on this one is just how thick some of the branches are that we're doing here. There was quite a few that were from 1.5 centimeters right up to 3 centimeters. I probably should have taken a nice close-up of some of the branches that I had cut, but you can hopefully sort of see the thickness and the size of the branches. That's one thing that I love about this Ego multi-tool. It doesn't matter really what I throw at it, it will still cut through the branches. So I'll just let you watch the video and let me know what your thoughts are. I do have my backpack on with a 10 amp battery, as today I was just doing a lot of hedging, so that's the other thing I love, is just having the capacity to have the big boy battery on your back without having the commercial 28 amp. A 10 amp is only 7.5 kilos opposed to a 28 amp, which is sitting at around that 15-16 kilos. So anyway, thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening, and you have a beautiful day. See ya.